Hello guys, this is Vlad, and in this video I'll show you how to set up Timeneye time tracking tool. First thing you will need is the Chrome extension. Go to Trello, open a board called Knowledge Base, find the card called Onboarding, and in there, under Timeneye section, you will find the link to Chrome Web Store. Hit it, and it will let you install the extension. Once you've done this, open your email box and look for an email with invitation to join Timeneye. Hit Set up your user button. It will bring up a page like this. Copy your password somewhere because you will need it in a second. And select appropriate settings. Once you've done, hit Save and look at the top right corner of your browser. There will be a Timeneye extension icon. Click on it and using your credentials and password, log in. Good. Once you've logged in, you can now start tracking your time in Trello. So let's open Sprint Management Board and pick a card. Under Actions, you will find Track Time button. If it doesn't appear straight away, just hard refresh your page by pressing Command or Control plus Shift plus R, and this will reset Timeneye settings. Then hit Track Time and you will see Timeneye interface. It's very similar to Harvest in the sense that you can add date, a project, phase, which is a task category basically, time, and optional node. With phases, we are planning to use just two, billable and non-billable, for now. So under any project, you will find those two. You can either save entry if you've already finished the task, or start timer. And also note that on the right-hand side, you've got a list of entries that you've made today. So basically, it's a recap of your work for the day. Let's start timer. And suppose we've worked on a task and then we were dragged away by another urgent task. With Timeneye, you can click at the extension and pause the time that you recorded for task A. Then switch onto task B, work on it, finish it, and come back to the task A. You can either continue working on it or hit save. Now, with saving your timers or time records is a little bit tricky one. Unless you hit the save button, the record won't be actually saved. And it might be weird at first, but we will get back to it. So once you've recorded some time and hit save, you can mouse over this Timeneye logo and it will allow you to go to dashboard. This is how the dashboard looks, and it's organized as a calendar with time entries that you've recorded. The more time you spend, the bigger the card will be. Here we've got status, which shows what teammates do, projects, reports, and a few other links. Now, from any page within this app, within Timeneye app, you can open timers, which will show you unsaved timers that are either active or are on hold. And you can open entries, which will give you a history of entries you've done until today. You can open filters and find pretty much any entry done by any user under any project, which is very handy. Now, Uh, what how to be about saving your time records. If you go to app settings, that will appear after you mouse over your avatar, and scroll down to timers section, you will find autosave. Change it to yes and put time as 23 p.m. Hit save. And that's pretty much it. This is how you work with Timeneye. The last but not least thing is to open up App Store or Google Play Store and download a mobile app, which will come very handy. Thanks. See you.